I've taken my hood off and most of the Sylvia front end. I'm gonna leave the fenders on. I'm going to Coda's today. The kid just came in, so I'll probably install the headlights here because I have them, and some of the front bracket assembly. And yeah, we'll get most of this kit on. Unfortunately, the rear fenders didn't come in, so I'm just gonna put everything else on besides that. I got the 180SX front brackets on. I had to move the intercooler over to the right a little bit because it was hitting this bracket. It's so ghetto. I need to drill this out, get a Dremel, and make that part fit. And then yep, I'm gonna try to put these fenders on now. My phone's about to die, but my alternator belt like got shredded on like first lap of the day, and my phone's at 3% right now, so I'm trying to record this quickly. But I was able to drive with the belt like shredded 50% off, so I'm gonna try to make it home without the belt snapping, because I don't want to call a tow truck. But I don't know, I might have to call a tow truck if I start overheating. So I hope I got some good footage, and I'm excited to see what the car looks like with the new body kit.